Hey guys, I had to stop what I was doing. It is raining out here. Coming down real good. Yes, so beautiful. I am kicking butt though. Pulling these weeds and grass up. Perfect weather with a perfect view. Look at this. I'm plowing through it now. I get to enjoy the beautiful rain. I did all this yesterday. See that pile I get to pick up? Woo woo. But man, it looks beautiful. I never did an after picture. I'm gonna stand under the tree. Wow. It's coming down pretty good. So I'm gonna turn off my phone here and see you guys tonight at Rockabilly for the jam. Yeah! I'm playing in the rain and getting paid to do it. Stay tuned.